we have the following questions. Find the integral of this question. We have the question as follows. But before we start the solution, I want to give us the list of properties. And the first one is that integral of tan x dx is equal to what? Is equal to ln sec x plus c. 2. Integral of sec x dx is equal to ln sec x plus what? Plus tan x. So, and finally, integral of cot x dx is equal to ln sin x, okay, plus c. Actually, your exam papers will make provisions for these tables. The only thing you need to know is just to know the applications, how to use it, and that is all. Okay. So let's dive into solutions of the following questions. The first one, I can call it, let's make it let I if you like, but it's not a must. Let's call the question. Let's represent the question, which is this. Okay. So which one will be my u now? So my u will going to be what? The one that will become simpler on differentiation, and that will be this. And the u, the x is what? Is 1. So then your the v, the x is equal to what? Is equal to this. So let's get v. So v is equal to what? Integral of this, which is what? Which is the same thing as the question. So apply your formula. Your integral will now become uv minus integral of what? V du dx times dx. So apply that formula. So we have my u is what? My u is this, and then my v is what? My v is this. Then minus integral of v is exponential to power x. Then du dx is 1, and then times the element of the integration. And finally, you have this as your what? Integral of this is the same, and that's what? That's this plus c. And that's ending and the questions. So the second one, we have integral of x sec squared x dx. We have this integral of this. The question, let's call the question, let I be equal to this. Okay? So what do you do now? U becomes simpler on differentiation. So u, let's u is what? U is this. So the u dx is what? Is 1. Then the v dx now is sec squared x. Okay? So my the v is equal to integral of what? Sec squared x dx. Then integrate both sides. So v is equal to what? Integral of sec squared x is what? Is tan x. So use your formula. Uv minus integral of v du dx times what? Times what? Times dx. And that's equal to what? My u is what? U is this, and my v is what? Tan x. My v is tan x minus integral of, my v is what? My v is tan x, that's tan x, and then the u, the x is what? Is 1, and then dx. So the final conclusion will be equal to x tan x, then minus, you can check your table. Integral of tan x is what? Is ln sec x. Okay, then what? Plus what? Plus c. That ends the question. Yeah, the d part, we have this one, integral of x sec x tan x. Okay, so what we do in this case, let's call the question, let's I represent the integral. Okay, so in this case now, u is going to be what? It's going to be this, because the moment you differentiate this becomes simpler on differentiation, and you can't go for this, so you're just wasting your time. So the u, the x is what? Is 1. Then this one, that's your dv dx, which is what? Which is sec x tan x. So v will be equal to what? Integral of what? Sec x tan x dx. The integral of sec x tan x is what? Is sec x. Okay, so let's apply our formula. I is equal to what? uv minus integral of v du dx and then dx. Okay, and that will be equal to what? My u is what? My u is this, and then my v is what? Sec x, then minus integral of v is sec x times du dx is 1, then dx, and that will be equal to x sec x, okay, minus, if you integrate this, I just give the table for this. So this integral of this is what? Is ln sec x plus what? Tan x. So that's the integral of sec x is ln sec x plus tan x. Then you put your constant of integration, and that finished that question. Okay, so please, if you're new on this channel or you're yet to subscribe, okay, quickly click on the video straight away, okay, and subscribe. It doesn't take you time. Click on notification bell so that you can get notified anytime there's a new update. Okay, click on like button and forward your comment. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. You can share it as many times as possible, and that is the only way you can advance this channel. Okay, so thank you for doing that. Join the next question. That's question 2 on this exercise question.